Alright guys, welcome back to the video, and today I want to show you guys my Galaxy S10, which has just received the April update. Actually installed it already. So if you go to the April update change log, let me just show you guys in the settings. So you go to settings and you scroll down to the software update section. You go to the last update, you can see that there was an update already. I already installed this. So it's very small, around 200 megabytes. You can see the size is very small, and the patch is a April security patch. So this update included some fixes actually for the Wi-Fi, and they also said the cameras will improve and so on. But they did not mention actually there's something they've added in the camera mode there. So you go to camera after you install the update, you go to camera and you notice there's a new mode called night mode. So they've now added the dedicated night mode into the camera app. This is actually the same one I found in the auto mode. So if you go here, this is the scene optimizer. So if you're in like dark situations, the scene optimizer actually turns on night mode, but there's actually on auto. But now you can actually trigger it manually. So you go to night, and when at night you take photos, you actually get some better results at night. I hope. I'll test it out, see how well it works. But other than that, that's a new feature that we got with the April update. Another new thing that I noticed, I'm not mistaken, is maybe I didn't notice earlier, but if you turn on the reverse wireless charging, so if you go down, you see reverse, actually it's wireless power share. So if you turn it on, and if you got like a Galaxy Buds or any other device, you can see there's a blue light over there indicating it's ready to charge. So I'm not sure that was the previous update, but yeah, you can see over there there's a blue light indicating that it's ready to charge. So you can see, unless I put my Galaxy Buds right over here, and then it vibrated, it gave me a red color light, which means it's charging. So let me zoom in, give you guys a more closer look. You can see it's red. The moment I take it out of the charging pad, it turns to blue, so it's waiting to charge. So that's a new thing that I've noticed from the new update. I'm not sure it's already available earlier, but I couldn't recall that. So yeah, so let us cancel this. And one thing I noticed in the update, I actually been using for a few days already, that the battery life or the standby time on the S10 of my variant here, this is the Exynos variant, is much better now. I can actually get better standby times compared to last time, where the battery was just draining for no apparent reason. I mean, if you go to the battery usage section, you notice like Android system is always in number 1 instead of screen. So yeah, very weird there. But with this April update, that fixed my issue now, so I don't have that draining problem now. And when the phone is getting warm over here, but now it's no longer warm, it's very cool, which is nice. And yeah, so that is all actually for the April update. Nothing really major in terms of the fixes and features, but we do get a dedicated night mode, which is nice on this update. So guys, let me know what you guys think of this update, and maybe I might have missed some features in this update, who knows. Let me know down in the comments below. Other than that, that's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Peace out.